Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 63 Levin Lane in East Amherst.
This is a spectacular newer colonial home in a premier neighborhood.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and friends with this grand two-story foyer. With a fan light and side lights, with an adjacent highly desirable office, and a formal living room with floor-to-ceiling windows, and a dining room with great natural light and scenic backyard views.
This is an entertainer's dream with phenomenal open living. Featuring a spacious cook's kitchen with beautiful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a center island breakfast bar. Open to the morning room with a wall of windows, including a palladium and transom window, and deck access. Plus an expansive family room with a gorgeous wood-burning fireplace with a decorative mantel and impressive space to enjoy a movie or the big game. The first floor also features a convenient mudroom and powder room.
The exceptional space continues upstairs with 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including this luxurious owner's suite with a sitting area, 2 walk-in closets, and a spa bathroom with a jacuzzi tub. What a great place to relax!
This newer built home has easy maintenance with vinyl siding and windows, plus a 3-car garage and a full basement for exceptional storage. This backyard is perfect for hosting the summer barbecue, with a deck and patio overlooking the private, fully fenced-in yard lined with mature trees. Levin Lane is a neighborhood of fine homes with sidewalks and charming lampposts within walking distance to the schools and wonderful parks, plus nearby great restaurants and shops of East Amherst and highly rated golf courses. What a great place to live! Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 63 Levin Lane in East Amherst.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!